Hi, myself Suganya, Assistant Professor in Department of Business Administration in Dr. S.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about what are the library function already available. That is the built-in function already available in a C programming language. Library function is nothing but it holding some of the function inside the main function, inside of the header file. So what is mean by header file? We all know that it have many function under the header one. So in this cases, in C programming, many header files are available. So in this case, we are going to discuss only the 4 or 5 header files. First one will be the complex one, second one is float, third one will be the standard input output header file, fourth one will be the string, fifth one will be the time. So in this first case is nothing but complex header file. For including the complex header file, we have to use a statement called #include complex.h. What this line says is we are going to include a header file called complex into the particular one. What the complex function will do is it going to perform the complex number. So if we want to perform any complex number addition, subtraction and multiplication value, we all know that the complex number format will be the real number plus the imaginary one. The imaginary part will be ended with the I. For example, A plus BI. So this is the complex number format. So in this case of format, we have to include, for that cases we have to include a header file called #include complex.h. So the next one, second one will be the standard input output header file. So if we want to include this function, we have to use a statement called #include stdio.h. So what this line says is we going to add, that is we are going to include standard input output header file into the prescribed one. What are the function we are going to use? What are the program it going to use? That program going to use a header file called standard input output header file. So this is the main one. So what this function, this header file will do is it include it automatically or it implicitly going to add a printf function. We all know that the printf function is mainly used for printing what are the value inside of this print function it going to display on a screen. So this is the main usage of a printf function. So next is this time header file. So what the time header file will do is it going to include date and time related functionalities. What the date and time related functionalities will do is if we want to know the current date. So if you want to know the current date, for that time we have to use a header file called time.h. Or else if you want to perform to know the system date, for that time also we have to use a header file called time.h. The fourth one is nothing but string.h. So it going to include a string. If you want to include a string header file is we have to use a statement called #include string.h. So if this line says is it going to include any number of string headers into the prescribed or created program. So what the string header file will do is it will automatically add a string concatenation, string comparison or string length, string performance or string character extraction. So these are, next will be the trim. So these function will automatically include or we can automatically or implicitly add to the prescribed one. We all know that what is the use of string concatenation is nothing but it going to perform or merge two separated string in a single string. So what is the use of string length is it going to find how many characters present in a given string. What the comparison will do is it going to compare two or more string, whether it is equal or not equal. What the string function will do is it going to extract particular number of characters from a given statement. What the string character will do is it going to extract the particular character from a string. So what the trim function will do is it going to neglect or remove the spaces present inside of a given string. The last one is nothing but mathematical header file. Mathematical functionalities related to the header file. So for that we have to use a function called, use a header file called math.h. So the math.h header file includes power, square root, tan, sine, cosine. These are the major function going to include in a mathematical header file, that is the math.h. So in this video we discussed about the library functions already present in a C programming languages. Thank you.